What is the Lasker trap in chess? Well, let's get into it right quick. We got d4, d5, c4, queen's gambit, e5, counter gambit, d takes e5, d4, e3, bishop b4, checking the king, bishop d2, trap starts, d takes e3, white captures the bishop, worst move, it's a blunder, pawn captures, can't take the pawn, because if you take the pawn, queen takes d1 for free, king e2, we take the knight on g1, promoting our pawn to a knight. I don't have an extra piece. You can't take the pawn because of bishop g4, capturing the queen for free. But after king e1, queen h4, check, king d2, and then after king d2, we have knight c6, attacking the bishop. Bishop moves back to prevent from being captured, and then bishop g4, attacking the queen. Protect the queen with bishop e2, and then queenside castle. Attacking the king, checking the king, about to capture the queen, still got a knight. Black is winning.